Tropical Food Manufacturing Ningbo Company Limited is established in 2003, perfectly located close to the well-known Ningbo International Port, which is with rapid growth of the transport system and communication network in the city. These would enable us to ensure all raw materials received in fresh condition, and all products can be promptly delivered to domestic and all over the world. We are linked to the World of Seafood Network, where we are part of Topica Group in Malaysia. We focus on canned seafood for over 40 years. Tropical Ningbo factory covers an area over 16,000 square meters, 634 employees, and 15 advanced production lines. Our production plant has fully implemented the HACCP system, which is approved by BRC Halal MSC. We have our own microbiology laboratory and our own design department and R&D team, which can design personalized products according to customers' requirements. Our main products are canned tuna, canned sardine, canned mackerel, canned salmon, and frozen seafood. Our products are mainly exported to USA, South Africa, South America, Middle East, Europe, Russia, Pacific Island countries, and regions. We devote to produce healthy, nutritious, and delicious products for the purpose of the enterprise management. Welcome to visit our factory at any time. Thanks for your watching.